Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 Kawasaki Ninja 300 with ABS brakes. This gorgeous metallic blue Ninja just arrived from its first owner with only 2,200 miles. Beautiful showroom condition, ABS brakes. It's got the Ninja frame sliders already on it. Come on by. Make your lightweight sport bike dreams come true for just $49.99. Very low mileage, beautiful condition. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.